Dear geography aspirants, right now I have the topic of chapter 5 of geography. Chapter name is minerals and rocks. When we study the minerals and rocks, we will know the interior and exterior of the earth, because we live in our earth, and we will have to initiate the best knowledge regarding the earth. Then it is necessary to study the minerals and rocks under the subject geography. The earth is composed of various kinds of elements. These elements are in solid form in outer layer of the earth. When you see the earth portion, the outer layer, you will find the solid form in outer layer of the earth, and in hot and molten form in the interior. So when you study, then you will find in interior form, you will study with the help of textbook that what is behind the earth's interior form. You will get the hot and molten form. About 98% of the total crust of the earth is composed of 8 elements. Amazing fact, 98%, like oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and the rest is constituted by titanium, hydrogen, phosphorus, manganese, sulfur, carbon, nickel, and other elements within 2%. The elements in the Earth's crust are rarely found exclusively, but are usually combined with other elements to make various substances. These substances are recognized as minerals. So the most of the place of the earth is same, and minerals are very important for making the earth's crust. Lithosphere, you will see. Thus, a mineral is a naturally occurring organic and inorganic substance having an orderly atomic structure and definite chemical composition and physical properties. A mineral is composed of 2 or more elements, but sometimes single element minerals like sulfur, copper, silver, gold, graphite, etc. are found. Though the number of elements making up the lithosphere are limited, they are combined in many different ways to make up many varieties of minerals. There are at least 22,000 minerals that have been named and identified in the earth crust. So when you study, you will get 2000 minerals. Amazing. But almost all the commonly occurring ones are related to 6 major minerals groups that are known as major rock forming minerals. So these come under 6 major groups. 2000 minerals will come under the 6 major groups for understanding and identifying and for recognizing. The basic source of all minerals is the hot magma in the interior of the earth. So during the volcanic eruption, magma come out from the hole is known as the magma in liquid form. When magma cools, crystals of minerals appear, and a systematic series of minerals are formed in sequence to solidify so as to form rocks. Minerals are such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are organic substances found in solid, liquid, and gaseous forms respectively. A brief information about some important minerals in terms of their nature and physical characteristics is given below. Physical characteristics: external crystal form determined by internal arrangement of the molecules, cubes, octahedrons, hexagonal prism. So these are the external forms. Cleavage: tendency to break in given directions, producing relatively plane surfaces. Result of internal arrangement of the molecules, may cleave in one or more directions and at angle to each other. Third form, the fracture: internal molecular arrangement so complex there are no planes of molecules. The crystal will break in an irregular manner, not along planes of cleavage. Luster: appearance of a material without regard to color. Each mineral has a distinctive luster, like metallic, silky, glossy, etc. Color: some minerals have a characteristics color determined by their molecular structure, malachite, azurite, chalcopyrite, etc. And some minerals are colored by impurities. For example, because of impurities, quartz may be white, green, red, yellow, etc. Streak: color of the ground. Power of any mineral: it may be the same color as the mineral or may differ. Malachite is green and gives green streak. Fluorite is purple or green but gives a white streak. Transparency: transparent light rays pass through so that objects can be seen plainly. Translucent: light rays pass through but will get diffused so that. Transparency: transparent light rays pass through so that objects can be seen plainly. Translucent: light rays pass through but will get diffused so that objects cannot be seen. Opaque: light will not pass at all. Structure: particular arrangement of the individual crystals, fine, medium, or coarse grained, fibrous, separable, divergent, radiating. Hardness: relative resistance being scratched. 10 minerals are selected to measure the degree of hardness from 1 to 10. They are talc, gypsum, talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, diamond. Compared to this, for example, a fingernail is 2.5 and glass or knife blade is 5.5. Specific gravity: the ratio between the weight of a given object and the weight of an equal volume of water. Object weight in air and then weight in water, and divide weight in air by the difference of the two weights under specific gravity. So brief information you have got about the some important minerals. Next is metallic minerals. These minerals contains metal content and be subdivided into 3 types: precious metals, gold, silver, platinum; ferrous metals, iron and other metal, often mixed with iron to form various kinds of steel. Non-ferrous metals include metals like copper, lead, zinc, tin, aluminium, etc. Non-metallic minerals: these minerals do not contain metal content. Sulfur, phosphorus, phosphates, and nitrates are examples of non-metallic minerals. Cement is a mixture of non-metallic minerals. Rocks. The earth crust is composed of rocks. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. A rock may be hard or soft and in varied colors. For example, granite is hard, soapstone is soft, gabbro is black, quartzite can be milky white. Rocks do not have definite composition of mineral constituents. Feldspar and quartz are the most common minerals found in rocks. Petrology is the science of rocks. You will study the rocks under the petrology. A petrologist studies rocks in their aspects, viz. Mineral composition, texture, structure, origin, occurrence, alteration, and relationship with other rocks. As there is a close relation between rocks and inland forms, rocks and soils, a geographer requires basic knowledge of rocks. There are many different kinds of rocks, which are grouped under 3 families on the basis of their mode of formation. They are igneous rocks solidified from magma and lava, sedimentary rocks, the result of deposition of fragments of rocks by exogenous processes, metamorphic rocks formed out of existing rocks undergoing recrystallization. So 3 rocks will be very important for your next course of action and studies. When you go to the higher classes, the division you will get from these rocks, because the basic rocks are here, and the most importantly, I can say the igneous rocks is very important, the parent rocks. In next video I will share the many more of the leftovers. Thanks for watching video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.